Yo guys, DISCRETION Gaming. Today we're going to be using these vehicles until maybe tomorrow. I'm going to be using vehicles with C4 to use against the enemies to blow them up. Now since I've got them, we'll get on the vehicle. Drive. I think there's someone over there we can get, so that's going to be fun. Don't, oh wait, there isn't anymore because they drive past. Vehicle, that's wasted my life. That's not a waste of my life, I don't think, because if that's an enemy,
Oh! Friendly team. Oh!
Let's search. Oh, people I was chasing got killed. That's always a good thing. Now I don't have anything myself. I'm gonna drive into the heart of the enemy base, and I'm gonna be evil. Blow myself up. Yeah, did it. I want to do it again, so let's do it again. It's very fun. Read 3. We're gonna drive straight into the enemy base this time, and kaboom! Someone's been naughty, betraying his own enemy team, I think. Yeah, he's been team killing. That's bannable offense. He got banned a couple of days ago for team killing because of doing this exact tactic. And one of my teammates tagged along with me and I got banned. Let's hope that doesn't happen to me this video. Let's be not so peaceful with his enemies and boom. Oh, pop goes the enemy. Enemy galore. Oh, he's dead. I'm just oh, I don't want to do it. I'm bored of that guy. I want to do it. Am I getting shot? Yeah, I'm getting shot. I'm running. Ow. Ouches. That really hurts us. So I'm gonna. Oh, put him now. Of course it's the police! Going after me. It's not like they know I've got explosives on my vehicle. Ah, the enemy base! I got one. Oh well, one's better than none. One last time before the video ends, because this is really funny. Part of the enemy base, if I just don't freak out and decide and stop, I could have gotten way more.
I saw you went down.
So
Let me on.
no! I can't let you on. If I let you on, then I'd probably get banned. I'll pull you up. Ow. Don't think I am anymore. Yeah, I'm not fully good. 2. Oh, here comes the police. What have I done now? It's like you've read through me. You know what I'm up to. Ow. Ouches. That hurts. Ow. Ouches. That even hurts. So it hurts. Like the most. Be careful, guys, because I'm gonna drive in and blow them up. See any? Oh. Ow. Oh no, crash. You see? Oh, I'm blowing them up. Hi! Alright, that's gonna have to be the end of today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one. See ya.